So what are we doing?
Going to pick up the engine for the Power Wagon and look at, see what parts we need to finish the Power Wagon and check it out. We think we're going to pick up the body sometime this week, but we're going to try and get the engine and trans tonight and whatever else we can get. So we're running down to an undisclosed area to pick it up. We got some parts to work on here. We got rear fenders, inner fenders, another end for there, rear fenders, and then the front fenders, which need the most work. We might have to replace one of them because they're really bad. But.
So we've been working on getting these fender liners back in one piece. This is the better of the two. We still have a few little blemishes down in here where we had to put a patch in, but overall it looks pretty good. I'm gonna let this dry and then hit it with some rubberizer. The other one, these fins are kind of busted up, so I don't know, we're kind of trying to figure out how to fix that. If you have any ideas, let us know. We were talking about maybe using like a heat vent or something. It's kind of the same corrugation. The cool thing with these patches, we put a couple patches in this. Well, Keaton's working on this patch over here. This is actually from 55 what is that thing, case tractor. We had to take this panel off, so that steel's about the same thickness as these fenders, but we got a long way to go on these. This one needs the edges cut and then fixed. These, I don't know if they're gonna be salvageable or not. There's some pretty rough stuff happening, mainly along these beads right in here. I don't know if we're gonna be able to weld that with the welder we have. Here's the fin issues. See, we've lost some tops of these. So we're trying to decide if we want to live with it or cut a section out and somehow try to piece something in there, or what to do. Not quite sure. You know, lots of work ahead, so stick with us.
Stay tuned for more Power Wagon restoration content. See you in the next video.